Welcome! In front of me I have Hammer Watch Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the icon that looks like the battery. This is the power saving mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the screen getting a lot dimmer because it will lower the brightness of the screen. And if you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the mode. If you want to disable it, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, you will see the message power saving mode off, and of course the icon will go back to gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can of course press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.